Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I have tested multiple smart door locks, but this one is special as it's by Qubo, which is a division of Hero Electronics, a Hero Group company. So now they are into the smart devices space, and the Qubo Smart Door Lock Select is one of their feature-rich smart door locks. So let's unbox it and check it out. Nice box. I always appreciate well-designed boxes. They improve upon the unboxing experience. Let's open up the box and we have, wow, all the lock parts are well protected by the styrofoam. These are the keys for manually opening the door, a packet with screws required during the installation. These are the NFC cards. This is the mortise lock or latch, and this is the latch bolt, and here are the deadbolts to secure the door. The last one is used when you double lock the door. All the main electronics and motors are all integrated within the lock body. Here's the strike plate. This sheet is very important, which is the drilling template. It has the markings for the required holes on the door to install the lock. A microfiber cleaning cloth. And here we have a user's manual. This is the front face of the lock, which is installed outdoors. It's made of aluminum alloy and it's really sleek and elegant. The mirror glossy finish looks so premium. And this lock has a nice weight to it too. Here's the fingerprint sensor on the handle. Here's the pin keypad and it will be available once it's powered on and activated. This symbol here indicates card access, which uses the NFC key provided in the box. We have a keyhole under this flap for manual access. This is the cable which connects the front and back of the lock. Water resistance is achieved using the silicone border. The main face is water resistant too. This is the indoor part of the lock and this one has a handle. Under that is a child lock switch which disables anyone from being able to unlock the door. Under that we have a deadbolt knob. You need to push the knob before turning. This metal piece controls the deadbolt on the mortise lock. Here's where you would install the batteries. It needs 8 AA batteries and they are not included in the box. The lock needs a minimum of 3.5 cm depth on your door to be able to install the mortise lock within. I will be getting the lock professionally installed, so we'll be waiting for the carpenter. The carpenter is here and he has made the appropriate holes to install the Qubo smart door lock. The handle was pointing in the wrong direction. It's a reversible door handle. It can be aligned according to where your door opens. And this is the front. And also the back needs to be rotated to match. Mortise lock goes in nice and easy. Key cylinder goes in here. Now the front of the lock goes in like this by snaking the cable through the mortise lock. This metal bit needs to be trimmed as per the door depth and this controls the deadbolt. The back is installed and the batteries are installed and the lock is ready to pair. Glad I chose a brand authorized carpenter installation. Qubo provides this service and he's done a good job. Looks really clean. Using the Qubo app, I have paired the lock. I have the Qubo security cam, so I already had the app on my phone. The door lock is paired and now we can set up the various access features. First, fingerprint. Just tap on the sensor and it's registered. Now it unlocks just by tapping your finger on the sensor. Once the door is closed, it locks automatically. We also have a pin code access. Now the lock can be unlocked using the pin and it unlocks. Multiple pin codes can be set up on the app. We can set up different levels of access. For example, family members will have anytime access, but if you have domestic help and they need access to the home, they can be provided timed access, which would work at a certain time of the day. And also a one-time access can be provided to surprise visitors and the pin code can be shared as an OTP via WhatsApp or even SMS. Next are the NFC keys. Now you can unlock the door by tapping the NFC tag to this part of the lock. Fourth is Bluetooth unlock. Tap on the button on the app and the lock unlocks. You will need Bluetooth to be enabled on your phone for this to work. So those were the 4 smart unlocking methods. The 5th is a manual key. And if your lock loses battery power, we can use this key to manually unlock the door and the keyhole is provided below this plate here. One more emergency method is using a power bank. Just plug it in under the lock and now you have access to the smart unlock features. And we are generally alerted by the app when the batteries are low, so you won't be caught unaware. We have provided voice guidance for when the door is locked, unlocked, etc. If we don't want to hear this, it can be disabled by the app.
Verification succeeded.
Once you're at the dashboard, you can see the current status of the lock, how many times it has been opened that day. You can also see the history of how it was unlocked and when. The lock is tamper-proof, no screw holes are visible outside, and it has a stainless steel lock with 4 bolts, 1 deadbolt. This is how the child lock switch works. When enabled, you cannot unlock the door. Disable the switch and we can unlock the door again. This is the double locking mechanism. When locked, it prevents unauthorized unlocking from the outside. The Qubo Smart Door Lock Select looks really classy on my front door. The smart unlock features allow for ease of access by everyone in the family. So when the kids come back from school, you're not home and you don't need to worry about providing them a key. They'll just use their fingerprint and can get in. Qubo has been in the smart space for a couple of years now. And with products like smart cameras, smart video doorbells, smart locks, bulbs and more, a whole automation ecosystem. Check out Qubo's website for more information. There's something for everyone. I love the ease of access my Qubo Smart Door Lock Select provides and the security it provides via the tamper-proof installation. I would totally recommend it if you're looking for a smart way to protect your house and also provide ease of access to your family. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.